Why do so many DIY enthusiasts love building water turbines? Because it's fun, educational, and totally doable at home. First, gather your materials. You'll need a plastic bottle, 6 to 8 plastic spoons, a wooden dowel or metal rod, a hot glue gun, and a small container. Step 1. Prepare the turbine blades. Cut the handles off the plastic spoons, keeping just the curved parts. Step 2. Create the turbine body like that. Cut off the top and bottom of the plastic bottle, leaving a cylindrical middle section. Step 3. Assemble the turbine. Glue the spoon blades evenly around the dowel or rod, all angled in the same direction. Step 4. Install the turbine in the housing. Make small holes in the plastic bottle cylinder, insert the rod, and ensure it spins freely. Finally, step 5. Test the turbine. Place it under running water and watch the magic happen. Remember, secure those blades well and play around with water flow rates to see the best result. Happy DIYing!